Morning 9 o'clock you will go, evening 6 o'clock you will come, month end you will get salary, and you will pay the rent, all these things, Again the next month is going to start. Again the same cinema is going to be happen until 60 years or 62 years. Then after 62 years, a stick is going to come in your hand. Another after 5 to 6 years, you are going to die. Your life is going to be completed. Don't be like a rat. Move, 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 move. Outside world is a wonderful world is there. Wonderful opportunities are there. At the age of 60 years, if you come to know, Array, this opportunity I don't know, then what you will do? What you will do? At the age of 60 years, sir, or 70 years, sir, there is an opportunity came. What you will do? Nothing. If you are in the young, if you are in a position to take the risk, you can. At that time, what risk you can take? సరే నేల మీద సరిగ్గానే నిలబడలేవు. Once you got retirement, then someone is required to give the hand. So don't be like a rat. So there are some people proudly saying, 20 years I worked in this company, 40 years of service. So what? So what? Your wonderful life, God-given life, you sold to that bloody company. You sold, okay, for that bloody job. Wonderful life. Can you please imagine once in other better way, you can achieve how many things? You can achieve. Okay, like that is the bigger problem, friends. Don't be in the comfort zone. If you are in the comfort zone, you will be like a rat. Rat race. There only, you are always going to run, just like a treadmill, running on the treadmill. Oh, you are always keep on running. The beautiness is, you are keep on running. Arey, I'm working very hardly. Even sweat is also going to come. But the problem is, you won't move single inch further. Running on the treadmill, rat race, staying in the comfort zone, all these things are same.